Tonight, a legal battle in Texas. Operation Lone Star deemed unconstitutional this month by a Texas county judge. Now, an appeal against this ruling has been filed. The Lone Star program, launched by the governor in March 2021, allows state and local law enforcement, not just federal officials, to arrest migrants.
The Biden administration's open border policies have created an open season for human traffickers, for drug smugglers, for cartels and gangs.
You can see some of those Lone Star arrests here, according to the Texas Department of Safety, which screened their footage at Lone Star briefings.
These are DPS encounters with migrants on this Operation Lone Star.
The program received $38 million in state funding just this past December and faced increased scrutiny when it came to light the militia group Patriots for America, also known as PFA, was engaged in the Lone Star effort.
My name is Samuel Hall. I'm the founder and president of Patriots for America militia. We've been working a lot in Kinney County, working very closely with Sheriff Coe and the residents in that county for the last 2.5, almost 3 months.
The ACLU of Texas and civil rights groups filed formal complaints about the program with the DOJ. Ultimately, the state deployed thousands of National Guard, Texas public safety officers, and other state resources to the border.
There's no, date when we're gonna conclude this operation.
But now the Travis County, Texas judge, Jan Soifer, has ruled the operation must conclude. The county DA supporting the decision, saying the policy is in part, quote, an impermissible attempt to intrude on federal immigration policy. Kinney County Attorney Brent Smith disagrees in a recent appeal to neighboring Travis County. In a statement to NBC, Smith said in part that his county will not recognize the recent ruling for jurisdictional reasons and, quote, unless ordered differently by a higher court. The case that triggered this legal battle, Guzman Curipoma versus State of Texas, where Ecuadorian asylum seeker Jesus Alberto Guzman Curipoma was one of those arrested under the policy in September 2021. He was charged for criminal trespassing, allegedly found at a railroad yard in Kinney County. The initial charges were filed in Kinney County. The dismissal was issued by a Travis County court after a hearing on the writ of habeas corpus presented by defense counsel. He pled not guilty.
They had no authority over the body of our client and transported them themselves over to Customs and Border Patrol, which is unprecedented.
Angelica Cogliano and Addie Miro represented him.
What impact will the ruling on this case have for your client, but also potentially other migrants who were arrested under this policy?
She's dismissed our client's case. While it's not binding precedent on any other court in Texas, it's very persuasive precedent.
As for Texas Governor Abbott, in a statement to NBC, his office called the ruling in part flawed, adding there is no doubt that this will be overturned.
All right, Zinhle joins us now from here in 30 Rock. So, Zinhle, have you reached out to the governor? Because clearly there's a lot of issues going on here, including those militia members working with what appears to be some local law enforcement officials.
Yeah, Tom, so we did reach out to the governor and ask that very question, if they plan to take legal action in response to this being declared unconstitutional. They referred us to the Texas Attorney General. We have not yet heard back from the AG. And as you note, there's a lot of back and forth. There's a lot of nuance. There's the militias. The Travis County DA's office did confirm, that they have filed the motion to actually dismiss Smith's notice of appeal. Brent Smith, you'll remember, is the Kinney County attorney who basically said, we aren't following this judge's order declaring Lone Star unconstitutional, and we don't have to do so. So, Tom, it really is yet another chapter in this very long, ongoing saga.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.